Okay. Today you will discuss about the proof. If tan A plus sin A is equal to m and tan A minus sin A is equal to m, prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 square root of mn. So we will take here. So LHS you will take LHS for solution. LHS is your m square minus n square. LHS is m square minus n square. That is equal to m is your tan A plus sin A. Tan A plus sin A whole square. Then minus n square. Tan A minus sin A whole square. So you know a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. You know the identity a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. So what you write? Tan a plus sin a whole square minus tan a minus sin a whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b 4ab. So that is equal to 4 into tan A into sin A. This is LHS. So we will take RHS. RHS you will take, that is 4 into root of mn. 4 into root of mn. So RHS is this. So 4 root of m is tan A plus sin A. Tan A plus sin A into tan A minus sin A. So that is m tan A plus sin A, m is tan A plus sin A, n is tan A minus sin A is equal to a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So we will write, because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. You will use that formula, that is 4 into square root of tan square A minus sin square A. Okay, tan square A is your, you will write 4 tan square A means sin square A by cos square A, sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. So you will take common sin square A, here sin square A by 1 you can write. So now you will do 4 into square root of sin square A you will take common, sin square A you will take common, in bracket 1 by cos square A minus 1. So that is equal to, say you will take 4 into square root of sin square A into sec square A. 1 by cos square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. So that is equal to, we will write, that is equal to 4 sin square, sec square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. 4 into square root of sin square A into tan square A. That is equal to 4 sin A into tan A. We have used this, here identity you use, sec square A minus 1 is equal to, you have used sec square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. This identity you have used here. Then here 1 by cos square A is equal to sec square A. You can write 1 by cos square A is equal to sec square A. 1 by cos square A is equal to sec square A. So these are the identities you have used here. So LHS is your 4 tan A into sin A. RHS is equal to 4 sin A into tan A, or you can write it as because 4 tan A into sin A. So LHS is equal to RH. It is proved. LHS is equal to RHS. So got LHS is 410 sin A, RHS is 410 into sin A. So it is proved. So can out. It is proved. You can do it. See? Okay. Okay. We will discuss about the heights and distance problems. Here, the length of the shadow, the length of a shadow of a vertical tower. This is AB is the vertical tower on level ground increases by 10 meter when the altitude of the sun changes from 45 degree to 30 degree. Changes altitude change from 45 to 30 degree. Calculate the height of the tower correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. Now AB is the tower. AB is the tower. So let the height of the tower be x. X you will take. You will take x. So this is your x. AB. So shadow BC is the one shadow and BD is another shadow. BC is the shadow when the angle of elevation is 45 degree and BD is the shadow when the angle of elevation is 30 degree. BC and BD are the two shadows. So increase by the shadow CD. CD increase by 10 meter. The shadow between BC and BD. The difference between the difference between two shadows is 10 meter. Means BD minus BC is equal to 10 meter. This is given. So now we have to find out AB, the height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower, is the tower height. So we will take height of the tower. Height of the tower. AB is the height of the tower. Let the height of the tower be x. The difference between two shadows is 10 meter. Means BD minus BC is equal to 10 meter. So now let you see in the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, 10 45 degree. 10 45 degree is equal to AB by BC. AB by BC implies 10 45 degree is equal to 1 is equal to AB. We have taken x. X by BC implies BC is equal to x. So the BC is also x. So now BD is x plus 10. BD is BC plus 10. Means that is x plus 10. So now we will say, now what do we say? In triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, 10 30 degree is equal to AB by BD, that is equal to AB, that is x by BD, x plus 10. So now 10 30 degree is equal to implies 10 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 10 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to, that is x by x plus 10. implies x plus 10 is equal to x plus 10 is equal to x root 3, x root 3, or you will take that x root 3 minus x is equal to 10. X root 3 implies x root 3 minus x is equal to 10, implies x take common, root 3 minus 1 is equal to 10, implies x is equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. X is equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now you will see here, we will solve. X is equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. So x is equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. So make it rationalize root 3 minus 1. So rationalize this one, denominator. Root 3 minus 1, you have to multiply by root 3 plus 1 to numerator and denominator. To rationalize this, 10 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So that will be 10 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 square minus 1 square. So that is equal to 10 into root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to 10 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. 5 into 2 1 jar, 2 1 jar and 2 5 jar. So 5 into root 3, 1.732 plus 1. So that is equal to 5 into 2.732 is equal to, so what you write? So 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 1 16, 1 5 7 35, 36, 5 to the 10, 3 13, 13.66 meter. So you will write approximately 13.66 meter. Root 3 has, we have taken equal to 1.732. Root 3 has the value 1.732 we have taken. Then that is approximately coming 13.66. So height of the tower is your x is equal to, height of the tower x is equal to 13.66 meter. 13.66 meter. This is a solution. AB is the height of the tower. Let the height of the tower be x. That is, we got the answer 13.66 meter. The difference between the two shadows is 10 meter. BD minus BC is equal to 10 meter. Given the angle of elevation, the ground increases by 10 meter. When the altitude of the sun changes from 45 degree to 30 degree, then that is 10 meter. Now in triangle ABC, 10 45 degrees is equal to AB by BC. 10 45 degrees is equal to 1. This 10 45 degrees is equal to 1. 1 is equal to x by BC, or BC is equal to x. Now BD is equal to BC plus BD plus CD. So BD is equal to BC plus CD, that is equal to x plus 10. In triangle ABD, 10 30 degree to AB by BD, that is x by x plus 10, implies 1 by root 3. 10 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 10 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to x by x plus 10. Implies x plus 10 is equal to x root 3, or x root 3 minus x is equal to 10. X into, take common x, x into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 10, or x is equal to 10 by root 3 minus 1. So now you have to rationalize root 3 minus 1. So rationalize the denominator. So what you have done? You have to multiply by root 3 plus 1 to numerator and denominator. So you have applied this formula. You have used formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. One formula used, one identity used here. So then we have taken root 3 is equal to 1.732. Root 3 is equal to, also you have taken root 3, you have taken 1.732. This is the values you have taken. Then 10 45 degrees is 1, 10 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. You have taken the values. So this is the solution we got. This is the answer.